most iconic era for me, stunning Stray Kids, is... Let's talk about Stray Kids.
Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse.
What is the most iconic era in Stray Kids for you? Well, we have District 9, Elevator, Middle, God's Menu, Backdoor, Maniac, 5 Star, Rockstar, 8, and Hop. In those choices, the most iconic era for me, stunning Stray Kids, is 2020, when they released God's Menu. Since God's Menu became the opening for their success, it is the start of every success they had right now. It is because of that song. For me, God's Menu is the most iconic era in Stray Kids. So, what is the most iconic era in Stray Kids for you? If you want more contents like this, don't forget to subscribe.